Hello guys, welcome to another new video. Today we will try to convert $500 to $5,000 and see if we can grow the account or not. Here we will apply trade through proper technical analysis. See you in a while. Guys, here we are seeing losses around $100 here. The market is going higher, making higher high, higher low, but we have applied opposite trade. Its reason will be known through trend channel so that we can clearly see the clear trend. The market was running in a downtrend before this trend. Market is currently following this trend line here. We will connect all the higher low points with the trend line. The more correct the trend line, the better the analysis. Plot the second trend line with the same angle as above here. The market is following the trend channel very well, from which we can find the trend reverse at the right place here. The market has taken resistance from the above trend line some time ago. Market can go down from here because again and again it is not able to break the above resistance. Where we have drawn the rectangle tool, the market took the first multiple resistance here, later broke this level to form support and went higher. Market always repeats history as the patterns are made in the past. The same patterns can be seen in the future as well. We have drawn the second rectangle level. That too we have got to see the same pattern as before here. The market is following resistance, become support very well. At this place also the market will make the same pattern whose chances are high, but anything can happen in the market. So we will analyze with the second scenario as well. If the market goes against us, we will apply trade according to the market. The level where we applied the trade is also very important. Who is taking a look at the resistance again and again. The market will go down from where we have our rectangle level because the market has formed a reverse pattern here. Taking support from here can give an upward move and can break the resistance level above because the strong trend of the market is the uptrend. If we see another scenario, market can break this level in trend line and go down. That's why we are taking both the analysis together. Here all our levels are working perfectly so far. Let's see how long the market respects these levels. Come on guys, our analysis is complete. Now we have to put stop loss, which will give us exit point and also save us from big loss. My stop loss will be 10 pips up. If the market breaks the resistance now, we will exit the trade. There's no use holding fair trade. Right now we are running in loss. Let's see till when we can convert this loss into profit. I quickly put stop loss. All our work is over. Market work begins next. We'll wait till we reach our goal. Let's see where the market goes. Expect the market to go down from here. Let's meet in a few seconds.
5 hours later.
Wow! Beautiful!
Guys, the market has moved down to take support of the trend line. The upper resistance level was strong, so the market can't break it and come down, which made us a nice profit in future. Also we will apply trade because we are growing the $500 account. Two conditions are applying here. First, market can go up taking this support. If this does not happen, then breaking this level will give a good move towards the bottom, so we will wait here. Market will create good pattern. The hardest part of trading also involves waiting. That's why many people can't wait for the right pattern to be formed and make big loss. Let's close the trade. Guys, our profit is running around $1,420. This was our short trade whose target was achieved quickly. We have grown the account to $1,897. Our goal is $5,000, of which $3,103 is left. Let's wait till when we can grow the account. Let us wait for the market to make the next pattern. Anything could happen next. No one knows where the market will go next. We can only predict by looking at the past. The market forms repeated patterns from which we can guess whether the market will go up or down. See you after a while. If you like the video, then please like it.
Later that night.
Guys, market has given trendline breakout as we predicted. Pattern here. The market is changing its trend because the above resistance level is here. The opportunity of selling has been created. Let's place the trade. I am placing trade here at my own risk.
No! God, please, no!
Nice profit. I have seen this after many days, which is a good thing. We can get good profit in selling trade here. Here the volume of the breakout is high here along with the trend line. The strong support level has also been broken. We will take advantage of this opportunity here. I am setting more trades because the market can go down. Guys, we have applied selling trade. This is our high probability setup, which can give good profit. Market always gives good move on breakout, whether downtrend breakout or uptrend breakout. We can take advantage of the opportunity in both. Let's meet guys after some time. Till then, enjoy the video. Guys, from where we applied the trade, the market is falling from there, has not taken a single pullback. The market will go down from here. The market has also broken this strong support resistance level, didn't stop here either, so we can guess that the market can stop at the next strong support resistance level from here. The initial support level is here. The market will rest here, then reverse from here. Here market like pattern will be created. We have to react. Our goal has been achieved. Let's close the trade. Guys, we had $500 in this account, which has been increased to $5,000 here. We worked on proper analysis and correct pattern, which we got very good results. See you guys in the next video. Like the video if you like it. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.